Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the explosion effect um, as a transition in CapCut. So first select your go to menu and select settings and just for the image duration in 1 second and select your images, select it. So go to effect, select video effect, select comic and select explosion, just add to the track and make it shorter and put on top between the clip on top, copy paste on top other clip, just make sure on the between the clip. And you can see for the final result is alright. I'm going to make it more. I'm going to change for aspect ratio. Change for the ratio and just merge it. Merge the clip. So you can see for the final result this. Right. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.